Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S24. I just upgrade from S23 to this one. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, it's a slide to open. Voila! There's a small box inside the box. We have a quick start guide, USB to USB-C cable, and a SIM card removal pin, and that's all. Okay, let's see the phone itself. Oops, okay. It has a one little coverage for protection. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, brand new phone. As you can see, it looks like the last year 23 similar, but the sides are not rounded. Looks like iPhone style, as you can see. All right, let's power up. Oh, it doesn't have charge. Okay. Oh, it has it. Okay. And there is no anything else on the box. Just this phone, USB-C, USB-C cable, quick start guide, and that's all. And the SIM card tray pin. Nothing else. And ready to use. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.